coming out from her room, the aroma of the freshly brewed coffee wafted from the percolator. She saw her father sitting on the sofa, putting his feet on a small chair with a newspaper around its face and a cup of coffee on the top of the table beside him.
Paibot ko. Dapat magaling eh.
As she coming out from her room, the aroma of the freshly brewed coffee wafted from the percolator. She saw her father sitting on the sofa, putting his feet on a small chair with a newspaper around its face and a cup of coffee on the top of the table beside him.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning.
Where's Mom?
At the kitchen, cooking for our breakfast.
Okay.
Small shuffled kitchen. Gina saw her mother cooking lively with its floral apron, ponytailed hair. Imagine a bright and sunny morning in the kitchen. The stove is cracking to life as breakfast is being prepared. The sizzle of bacon or sausage fills the air, mingling with the aroma of freshly brewed coffee. The sound of eggs cracking and the gentle clinking and of dishes being set out on the counter create a lively atmosphere. As the morning sunlight streams through windows, it illuminates the kitchen, making the warm colors of the food and the cozy atmosphere even more inviting. The promise of a new day and a delicious breakfast fills the air, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Gina stood behind her mother. She watched as her mom's hands moved swiftly, chopping vegetables and stirring the sizzling skillet with ease.
Smells amazing in here. What's cooking?
It's just a simple soup, nothing too fancy.
How's the stir fry coming alone? Need help?
Yeah, can you chop the best peppers for me?
Pleasure to help.
I love the way the kitchen smell when your cooking was on the menu today.
Just making some stir fry. Want to try some?
Smells great. I grab a plate. Your approach at this. What's your secret ingredient?
Thanks. I think it's about the balance of flavors.
You guys need any assistance? Or are you good? Maybe I can set the table.
Be great. Please are in the cabinet. Gina, please help me also to put those food on the table. Doc, please call your father that the breakfast was ready.
That's it. The breakfast is already prepared.
Okay.
The family gathered around the table, their faces lighting up with smiles as they passed the dishes and poured glasses of juice. The clinking of forks against plates and the hum of conversation filled the room. As they ate, the sounds of sizzling bacon and happy chatter filled the kitchen, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The family savored each bite, enjoying the taste of the meal and the company of each other.